Alright guys, so we are here with my 25 Tacoma. I'm gonna put on some 09 running boards. Gonna do this, hopefully shouldn't take too long. All the hardware, the step bars, already opened up. Got those bolts there. Another set. And some back here. So shouldn't be too bad. We'll see the first bracket on. Use their hardware. I was gonna use the factory hardware, but it has these crush washers right here. So it just keeps everything a little bit tighter. We'll see, I might swap it out later. All right, I got them on. A little tricky getting the brackets on from underneath, but wasn't too bad. Do the other side next, but that's what they look like from underneath. These are the 09 brand from Amazon, like 200 bucks. Not too bad. They kind of look aggressive. All right guys, underneath the truck here, just wanted to point out one thing. This set comes with 3 brackets. So main thing is you're gonna skip this third set of bolts here. So you got 1, 2, those kind of sit under the front door, and then you got this one that sits kind of 2/3 of the way back of the rear door. But big thing is skipping that. So you go 1, 2, skip the third one, and then, alright guys, to go ahead and get the brackets on, you guys are gonna slide them in here. It's kind of hard to do with holding the camera here, but basically you're just gonna lift up on everything, just rotate everything up and kind of slide them into the holes down here. Pretty simple, but can be a little challenging. So all right, the other side is finished. You can see there's a little bit of a gap, which is nice. But main thing is, it's pretty aggressive. You know, it's not rock sliders, but running boards will do. I have a 6-year-old, and a 12-year-old, so help them get in the truck a little bit easier. So yeah guys, that's it. So not too bad, about an hour install. Yeah, hand tools, it'll do the trick. Follow along, I'm gonna have some more installs coming up soon. So got the rocks blocks already installed. Yeah, pretty excited about the new Tacoma. All right, see you guys, bye.